Yes, line your eyes. So, I discovered this thing from TikTok ata, hindi ko na matandaan. Pero, ang ginagawa nila is nilalagyan din nila ng eyeliner, yung inner part ng eyes, to give that cat eye effect. So, usually, when you're using an eyeshadow as an eyeliner, hindi talaga ganun ka-pigmented. So, I suggest that you spritz some water sa brush before nyo i-apply yung eyeshadow sa eyes. OMG, habang nagre-record ako, biglang umulan, so sana hindi marinig. So, tapos na tayo sa eyes. Let's now move on to our face. So, I'll be using a toner first. Actually, this toner is very good before you apply some makeup kasi it's sticky. So, you must try it. So, ayan, nakikita nyo, naka-plastic pa yung aloe vera gel ko kasi nga nilalagay ko siya sa ref para mas ma-feel ko yung soothing effect. And oh my gosh, guys, sobrang ganda nito sa skin. Kaya, itry nyo to. So, for foundation, I'll be using this concealer from MAC Cosmetics and then yung stippling brush. Wala kasi akong foundation dito sa bahay, kaya concealer na lang gagamitin ko. Pero sobrang high coverage nito, kaya ayun, yan na rin yung ginamit ko. Pero pinaghalo ko yung dalawang shade kasi the other one is so light on me and yung isa naman masyadong dark. And then, I'll be applying it using a stippling brush, pero later on, I'll be blending it with a beauty blender.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
So, para dun sa mga parts na kailangan pa ng mas higher coverage, gagamitin ko yung concealer brush and then isa-spot conceal ko lang, lalo yung mga pimples ko. Oh my gosh. So, ayan.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down.
So, to set that foundation, I'll be using a loose powder, yung Airspun, pero ito kasi walang coverage, so I like it. And then, kuha lang kayo ng fluffy brush, then just put it all over your face and your neck. Don't forget your neck. And then, to set my under eyes, kumuha ako ng smaller brush kasi hindi maabot ng mga brush yung mata ko, sobrang lalim na. So, ayun. Loose powder lang din yung pinang-set ko, yung Airspun earlier. So, yeah. And last na talagang brush, ayan, kumuha ko ng medyo medium size brush to set the T-zone area of my face. So, for bronzer, I'll be using this MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix powder. Sobrang dark kasi sa akin ito para maging powder. Kaya ginawa ko na lang bronzer and just get a fluffy brush and just put it on the hollows of the cheeks. Don't forget the jawline and also the temples. And sorry, I forgot to say the shade, but it's in the shade dark. So for blush, I'll be using MAC Cosmetics again, and ito yung Mineralized blush nila, kaya it will give that highlighted cheek effect, and it's in the shade Gleeful. So naglalagay na din ako ng blush sa nose para sun-kissed effect siya. And then going back to that Ecru Squad palette, and also gumamit ako ng angled blending brush. Kinuha ko yung shade na buff, yung dark brown shadow, and then I'll be using that for my nose contour. then just take a blending brush and blend the harsh lines. So let's proceed to the highlight. Yay! The Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'll be taking the shade Bubbly and put it on the sides of my cheeks. I really love putting highlight on my face, so dadagdagan pa natin. Onti lang naman ng sunburst para lang, you know, the oomph. Yes? Don't forget to highlight your nose as well. Just take a small brush and I'll be using the shade Sunburst. Highlight the tip of the nose and also the bridge of the nose. So let's now proceed to the kilay because kilay is light. And then as you can see, kumuha lang ako ng spoolie brush para lang ma-brush yung eyebrow hairs. And then I'll be taking this Vice Cosmetics micro brow in the shade Natural Brown, and I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows. I'll be using this Vice Cosmetics Gandol Volumizing Brow Gel to put some definition and color to my brows. And then going back to that autumn eyeshadow palette and a smudger brush, I'll be taking the shade Harkin and put it on the lower lash line. So now let's curl our lashes using an eyelash curler, malamang. And this is an eyelash curler from Nichido. Just start from the roots to the tip. And then for my mascara, I'll be using this Maybelline Lash Sensational. Ang ganda kasi ng wand niya, so perfect siya for me, I think.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
So for my lower lashes, my holy grail Maybelline Hypercurl mascara.
Goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the bullet. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
And OMG, malapit na tayong matapos. So for the lips, I'll be using this matte lip tint by Bey. And it's in the shade Peachy. Binigay po sa akin to ni Ate Erica Ibio. Shoutout ate, sobrang love ko tong lipstick nito. Lip tint pala. And then, to blend it out, I'll be using this MAC Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Calm Heat. And ayun, biniblend ko lang sila para magkaroon ng, alam niyo yun, parang gradient effect. Also using my fingers para seamless.
Yeah. No.
And then for the finishing touches, let's go back to that glow kit, and then kuha lang kayo ng sobrang tiny na brush, and then I'll be using the shade Sunburst to highlight the inner part of my eyes. So we're done! I know, not yet pala, wait. So there's a trick that I saw from TikTok na parang ini-snatch talaga niya yung eyes, parang nagkakaroon ng fox eye look. Ayan, so tinali ko yung hair ko into half, and then just get a little amount of hair sa side ng face nyo, and then itali nyo gamit yung Sanrio, and then ayan, look at that, it's so snatch, OMG. And this is the final look. So, ayun guys, sana na-enjoy nyo itong makeup tutorial na to, and sobrang saya pala mag-voice over kasi less hassle. So, ayun, anyways, thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!